Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best clothes steamers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Hilife Clothes Steamer. This 700-watt steamer produces soft and long-lasting steam and 9 feet power cord. Never worry about operating steamer remotely. Its powerful 700-watt steam pump produces 15 minutes of continuous steam before needing a refill. It is great for smoothing clothes while they're still on the hanger, refreshing upholstery and saving on trips to the dry cleaner. Not only a steamer for clothes, but a smart assistant for healthy living. The locking trigger lets you apply steam continuously or in small bursts. Plus 3 attachments are included for removing lint and steaming upholstery and delicate fabrics. At number 5 we have Conair Clothes Steamer. This steamer combines the performance of an iron with the power of steam to instantly smooth out wrinkles in clothing and upholstery while killing 99.9% of germs, dust mites and bed bugs. This freestanding steamer features a 40 seconds heat up and a 7.3-ounce water tank for up to 15 minutes of continuous steam. This quilted aluminum steamer plate and built-in creaser perform like an iron for a fresh pressed look. The fabric steamers keep your garments, upholstery, curtains and other home textiles smooth and fresh. It includes a silicone band to pull fabric taut for better results, a delicate fabric spacer to protect trims and fine fabrics, and a bristle brush to ensure steam penetrates fibers for a perfect press even on heavy fabrics. At number 4 we have Rowena Clothes Steamer. You can enjoy fast efficient steam day after day with Rowena XL Steam Plus, the powerful handheld steamer for efficient use on a wide range of fabrics. You can boasting 1600 W of power and continuous steam on demand. It ensures excellent results with 20 grams per minute of steam flow on delicate level and 26 grams per minute on super turbo level. It has a cast aluminum heating plate with ceramic coating, provides better results than ever. While a quick heat up of just 40 seconds means XL Steam Plus is ready when you are. It can even be used to refresh and sanitize your home. Rounding it all off are convenient features including a 190 ml removable water tank for long steaming sessions and easy refills, as well as an extra long 3 meters cord and steam locker for total freedom of movement. At number 3 we have Black Plus Decker Clothes Steamer. Erasing wrinkles from clothing and freshening up fabrics is a breeze with the Black Plus Decker Advanced Handheld Steamer. With 1400 watts of power and a preheat time of less than a minute, this steamer delivers quick and effective wrinkle-fighting performance, producing 45% more steam than the Conair GS23 series. The locking trigger lets you apply steam continuously or in small bursts. Plus 3 attachments are included for removing lint and steaming upholstery and delicate fabrics. So handy to use, it's perfect for deodorizing and refreshing bedding, drapes and plush toys, and steam cleaning heat and moisture-tolerant hard surfaces, such as high chair trays and kids' play surfaces, as a chemical-free alternative. The Black Plus Decker Advanced Handheld Steamer puts the power of steam into a lightweight appliance for quick everyday use. You can keeping your fabrics wrinkle-free and household steam fresh. At number 2 we have Electrolux Clothes Steamer. The steamer with a 8-foot power cord, fabric brush, lint brush and steam nozzle rests on a heavy-duty ceramic sole plate, providing versatile and safety steaming options. The steamer will automatically turn off if not in use. You can quick heat up time of just 30 seconds with 1500 watts power. 300 milliliters tank provides 18 minutes of continuous steam to ensure quick and efficient steaming for you to look the best in under 5 minutes. The extended power cord allows you to walk around your house steaming any surfaces you would like to refresh or cleanse. This ceramic sole plate and steam nozzle that protects the delicate fabrics. The electromagnetic pump steam technology does not allow leaking and spilling. It will ensure you that your delicate clothing will not get ruined from the water. At number 1 we have Hamilton Clothes Steamer. Its powerful 1000-watt steam pump produces 15 minutes of continuous steam before needing a refill. It is great for smoothing clothes while they're still on the hanger, refreshing upholstery and saving on trips to the dry cleaner. The Hamilton Beach Handheld Garment Steamer provides 15 minutes of continuous steam, great for relaxing wrinkles and refreshing clothes, bedding, curtains and more. This steamer is portable, powerful, fast and easy to use. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best clothes steamers for your need.